What's up, YouTube? It's been basically an eternity since I made a video, so I thought, you know, why not update you guys what's going on. Hitting up a car meet today, so I thought, you know, let's bring out the camera, let's get some shots and make a YouTube video again, you know? So in terms of updates, not really much has happened. The one big thing I did though is I finally got the ITR engine rebuilt. So fully engine out, reboard the block, new pistons, head fully rebuilt, etc. Everything's brand new on the car. Mechanically now, got a new clutch. So we've been trying to break it in, get the 500 miles in. But that's pretty much it. Full engine rebuild on this car. It's pretty much done now. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing to a car meet today, wash it up, wait for Will to come here and get the car washed. And what's up, dude? Making a YouTube video again, dude. Back at it again, dude. Your car's the same, right? Since the last time I made a video? Right, I think it is, right? Wider tires, bro. It's got wider tires. No more stretch. Yeah, we need to get these washed. Alright, you guys, we finished the car wash. We're just finishing up. We got Brandon here now. He's filming for me. But yeah, so I don't know. No one really wants to look at our cars, but we're gonna drive them there. It's like 30 minutes from here. My car's super slow, so yeah. Car can go like 65, 70. It's car. But yeah, head over there. You excited, dude? For the new video? You're excited for the new video, right?
I'm subscribed. I can't wait. I'm gonna get that notification.
Yeah, you've been waiting for the new vid to come out.
Like and subscribe, bro.
Yeah, you done, Will?
So I'll wipe this off. Hey,
man, he's got the Gucci. This guy just has more money than us, dude.
He does.
You can tell, dude.
Hey,
look at that quick fill up. Look at the gas price down here. Damn, $4.35. Oh, that's 75 miles per hour.
I know, so fast.
So, you know, you gotta put the Hondas in the back, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Put the Hondas in the back, you know.
In the corner,
in the corner, you know. 6 on 1516, huh? Or is that 1716? It's tiny. What kind of car is that over there, Will? Is that one sick? Yeah, they let this guy over here. This is where they let people with more money park. This is for the non-broke boy parking section, Will?
Row 2, bro.
Yeah, non-broke boy parking. One day, Brandon, we can park our cars here.
Dude, we can dream.
We'll dream, dude. Nice. Oh, look at this. Jeez. This is pretty sick, dude. Fire. And 3. This thing's cool. I've seen this at SEMA, both of these. This car is sick. Have you seen this car before?
I mean, this was the Super Street.
Yeah, you've seen this before, right? Sick.
This one.
This way, like, orange one? Yeah. 90K cash though? Didn't mind this one. This thing is pretty crazy. Yeah, I think I saw this at SEMA.
We did it at the one that's at the Honda Center. Whatever that was.
I don't know, I've seen both of these at SEMA when I went, which was like 2 years ago now. Probably.
I don't like it. It's like buy these guys seats.
These seats are sick. These are the Sportsters. Damn, with the rivets. Damn, this interior is nice. Look at the gauges, dude. You see that? Yeah. And the rear seats, dude. Hope you guys can see that. The seats are crazy, dude. These guys got the color down. Purple. Like the exact 33 spec I want. This is nice, dude. I now know the difference between the dot 2 and the dot 1. It's the bumper, it has like these angled vents, right? This is really nice though. Midnight purple GT3. Yeah, I saw this last time, this M3 station wagon, E36. I mean, everything about it looks correct. Like it has everything M3 and it looks super factory. And it's like obviously not legal. So I'm assuming it's real. Checking out Violet. Too bad they didn't all park together, that'd be sick.
I know. They were trying and this guy just fucked it all up.
Like the purples together. So I just noticed this so interesting.
Yeah, I'm looking at event.
The logo is like tiny.
And I was like,
I don't know, I just never, no BMW has a logo that small, dude.
but yeah.
Like, look at that.
Different car, bro.
I don't know, that's what everyone's here to see. The Lyra Rose.
Wipe down the board.
But if you are like to say US citizen,
The koenigsegg Agera. I just saw these cars like 2 weeks ago. The Agera RS and the Wagon. I want to check this out. I haven't seen this Ferrari yet. Kind of looks like a Corvette in the back. This is funky, dude. Look at that. Taillight bar. Yeah, right? It's weird, right? It's so weird. It has, like, this shot here is odd. The exhaust is just like... I don't really think this looks that good. Look at the gear change.
Wait, what?
It's so weird. You guys can't really see, but like that shit is weird. That looks kind of cool, I guess. Yeah. It's probably super fast, but I mean, it doesn't look that good. Pretty sick.
I feel like I see
Like, well, you could have bought this car instead, dude.
But it's not manual, dude.
It's not manual, never mind. You don't want it.
I don't want it.
That's sick. Pretty sick.
That's pretty crispy. If I say so.
That looks
myself.
good.
If I say so myself.
We're gonna eat some food.
Better to eat around here?
I don't know, is there? Let's go. This car's sick, dude. On the LMs. This guy.
Grill hits, you know?
Has what Will wants to do on his car, but with Burberry interior on the OEM seats. Burberry, looks pretty nice, dude. Gonna do it, Will?
Spent all this money on the interior.
Yeah. Didn't do any other mods. Just one of the interiors modded.
It would have been actually sicker if it was black.
The seats are black instead of red. Yeah.
Looks sick though.
Yeah. I mean, the stance is good. Little TE action.
Pretty cool.
Pretty
It's on
fast, dude.
SLs.
Yeah, it's on the TEs, man.
Now I see why
That's
you're
the
filming.
only thing that's cool about it.
I was like,
I mean, it looks sick on
Oh,
these
my
wheels,
homeboy's
dude.
leaving, dude.
You gotta ask him where he got the interior done, Will.
dude, he wants to sell it to you, man.
Dude, what about this though, dude? Is this fire? That's an M6 with the track mods. Oh, he's got the wing too, man. The extra down. I like the license plate frame, dude.
This is my
Look
favorite
at
mod
that.
on
Look at that, Brandon.
What?
Wonder if this is a full conversion. I mean, it has every cosmetic thing. Could be fully converted. Pretty sick if it is.
Oh man, I'm full.
Alright, you guys, that's it. Heading home. It's nighttime. Yeah. But first time making a video in a while. Thought, you know, why not? Let's put out another video out there. But yeah, until next time, you guys, peace out.